Open the Catalog view and expose the Edwards Aquifer geodatabase. Right-click it and choose Domains. Click in the first domain name box and enter karst type. Enter a description such as type of karst feature. Set the field type to text and let the domain type default to coded value domain. Click in the first code box and enter Spring for both the code and the description. Enter Cave Sync for the next row. Don't hit the Tab key. Instead, select the previous code row to make sure the last value is accepted.